West Valley City, Utah, is known for its scenic beauty, suburban charm, and proximity to urban amenities. However, like many growing cities, it can also come with its share of noise pollution. Whether it's the hum of traffic, the sounds of construction, or the general bustle of urban life, unwanted noise can interfere with the peace and quiet of your home. Fortunately, there is a solution: soundproof windows. In this article, we'll explore how soundproof windows can help reduce noise pollution in your West Valley City home, providing you with a more comfortable living space and a better overall quality of life. What are soundproof windows? Soundproof windows are specially designed to block or absorb noise from the outside environment, making your home quieter and more peaceful. These windows typically consist of multiple panes of glass with a layer of air or gas between them, which helps to reduce sound transmission. The glass is often thicker than standard windows, and special coatings or acoustic treatments are applied to further enhance sound insulation. The combination of thicker glass, layered panes, and tight seals makes soundproof windows highly effective at reducing noise pollution, especially in busy areas like West Valley City where external noise sources can be overwhelming. Reducing traffic noise. For homeowners in West Valley City who live near busy streets or highways, traffic noise can be a constant nuisance. The sound of cars, trucks, buses, and motorcycles passing by can disturb your sleep, interrupt conversations, and make it difficult to concentrate. This type of noise is often referred to as airborne noise, and it can be especially intrusive if you live close to major roads or commercial areas. Soundproof windows are designed to block this type of noise by acting as a barrier to sound waves. The multiple panes and gas-filled gaps between the glass reduce the amount of traffic noise that enters your home. With soundproof windows, you can enjoy a quieter living space, allowing you to relax, sleep, and focus without the constant hum of traffic in the background. Blocking noise from construction sites. West Valley City is a growing community, and with growth comes construction, whether it's residential, commercial, or infrastructure projects. While construction is necessary for the city's development, it can create constant noise disruptions that make it difficult to enjoy your home. Construction noise, including the sounds of drilling, hammering, and heavy machinery, can be loud and intrusive, especially if you live near a construction site. Soundproof windows can significantly reduce the impact of construction noise. By installing soundproof windows, you create a barrier between your home and the noise outside, allowing you to continue your daily activities without disruption. Whether you're working from home, spending time with family, or simply trying to relax, soundproof windows help create a peaceful indoor environment, even in areas with active construction. Enhancing privacy and reducing noise from neighbors. In suburban areas like West Valley City, many homes are built close together, and noise from neighbors can sometimes be a concern. Whether it's loud conversations, music, or children playing, the sounds from nearby homes can carry through walls and windows, affecting your comfort and privacy. By installing soundproof windows, you can significantly reduce the amount of noise that travels between homes. These windows prevent external sounds from penetrating the glass and provide an added layer of privacy in your home. This is especially beneficial if you have neighbors who live close by or if your home is in a densely populated area where sound can easily travel. Improving sleep quality. One of the most significant impacts of noise pollution is its effect on your sleep quality. Studies have shown that even moderate levels of noise can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to sleep deprivation, stress, and a decrease in overall health and well-being. This is particularly problematic for those who live in noisy areas, where external sounds like traffic, sirens, or construction can interfere with sleep. Soundproof windows can help improve your sleep by blocking out unwanted noise. With soundproof windows in place, you can rest easier knowing that your sleep will not be interrupted by the sounds of the outside world. A quieter home means a better night's sleep, and over time, this can have a positive impact on your overall health and productivity. Energy efficiency benefits. In addition to reducing noise, soundproof windows offer energy efficiency benefits. The same insulating layers that help block sound also help to regulate temperature inside your home. In West Valley City, where winters can be cold and summers can be hot, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature can be challenging. Soundproof windows help to prevent heat loss during the winter and heat gain during the summer, making it easier for your heating and cooling systems to maintain a consistent temperature. This improves the overall energy efficiency of your home, leading to potential savings on your energy bills. So, not only will you enjoy a quieter home, but you will also benefit from reduced heating and cooling costs. Enhanced home comfort and value. By reducing noise pollution, soundproof windows enhance the overall comfort of your home. Whether you're relaxing after a long day, enjoying a movie with your family, or hosting a social gathering, soundproof windows create a more pleasant and peaceful environment. Furthermore, installing soundproof windows can increase your home's value. Homebuyers are often looking for properties that offer comfort, privacy, and energy efficiency, all of which are provided by soundproof windows. Whether you plan to stay in your home long-term or eventually sell, soundproof windows are a valuable upgrade that enhances your home's marketability. Conclusion: soundproof windows for a quieter, more comfortable home in West Valley City. If you're tired of the noise pollution that disrupts your daily life, soundproof windows offer an excellent solution for homeowners in West Valley City. These windows effectively block traffic noise, construction sounds, and neighborhood disturbances, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. In addition to their noise-reducing benefits, soundproof windows also provide energy efficiency, improved privacy, and increased home value. By investing in soundproof windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable home, better sleep quality, and a peaceful atmosphere, free from the distractions of the outside world. Whether you live near busy roads, in a growing community, or simply want to enhance your home's comfort, soundproof windows are an excellent investment that improves both your daily living experience and the long-term value of your home.